Simple advice to give you complete lead generation knowledge. Do you know anything about the topic of lead generation? Do you need a quick primer to find out all you can? This video has all of the tips and tricks you need today. As soon as you get started watching it, you will also be preparing yourself for future success. Use social media as a lead generation tool. In social media, you need to not only build a presence, you also need to build a community. It's an opportunity to build trust, which will lead to more and more leads coming your way. Don't just look at the obvious social media channels. Consider them all. Perfect the art of a good call to action, in order to generate more leads for your business. A good call to action is highly specific, very relevant to the particular readers, and always links to a landing page where the offer can be found for purchase or download. Make your CTA count for more valuable leads. Try direct mail as a lead generation tactic. Many people think that direct mail has gone the way of the dinosaur, but it's not true. In fact, it may be very powerful for your market, as a lot of competitors shy away from it as a strategy. You may find a lot of business opportunity here. Make an offer to potential leads that is hard to refuse. This can be a discount, a giveaway, or some source of information that they've been dying to have. It needs to be relevant to them, or else you'll never get them to respond. Try a few different things to see what works the best. With so many great tips available to you, all you can do now is put them to use. Take your time as you craft your strategies so that your leads will begin to generate. The sooner they do, the sooner you'll see your profits increase and your business begin to boom. Student loan.